Hi guys, welcome back to CNC Auto Works. Today you're going to try to replace this taillight panel. As you can see here, the corners rusted out, every single, both sides, pretty much Swiss cheese. I'm going to try to put this new unit in there. Just got a couple of welds in here. As you can see, this is still kind of loose. I guess factory didn't weld it in so good right there on that corner. Got those welds right there on the top. Spot weld here, right there, right there. Along the bottom it has a couple. Go ahead and start trying to drill those out and see how that works out. Probably just going to use a plasma cutter. It'll be a little bit faster, but you can use drill bit or anything else you want to use to take those spot welds off.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother, you lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, that this never ends. Not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost. You're just a ghost inside my head. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. You're just a ghost inside my head. Oh, you're just a ghost inside my head. 'Cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did.
Got the old taillight panel out. Seems like air chisel works good on everything, even this trunk latch. Air chisel also works good on the bottom. Use it, didn't even have to drill it or anything, just air chisel the whole entire bottom piece right there. Plasma cutted holes in the top edges to get it out. Then to put this new panel in over here. These are all for the valance. All these holes are for the valance screws to go through and to attach to the bottom of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill holes in between these holes and use them as spot weld holes. And that is about it. Got the holes drilled in the panel along the bottom. Drilled holes between the holes. And went ahead and drilled the car out on this side because somebody in the factory forgot what they're doing or something. Or they've just been replaced and the guy forgot to do it. I don't know. Gonna go ahead and slap that panel in and see how it works. taillight panels in there. It's welded all the way around. Got the welder finally set right, and it started actually laying in there and melting in there real nice like. Couple little fitment issues. The bottom just wasn't quite flush with the bottom little tab right here. It was halfway hanging out, but the jack took care of that. Got it all jacked up and lined up and everything, and it fits pretty nice. It looks good for now until I actually put the car together and figure out how it looks. And if y'all want to see how the quarters go, just watch the next video. Thank you for watching this one, and we'll catch you next time.